Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2015 Ford Expedition and I will show you the factory keypad door code location. Okay, so the code will be located in the passenger's cabin just next to the passenger's right foot. So all you have to do is remove this cover, so just pull it over yourself. And then the code will be right here. So it's a 35157. Just disregard the L letter. And this is your factory code. And once you have the factory code, then you can set up your personal code as well through the menu. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.